The Anime here. Today we have a Ford Focus coolant reservoir replacement. This is year 2012 through 2019, I believe. Yeah. Start off by taking off that one cap off there. This one has the 2 pins. Take those off. A little trouble. You kind of want to be careful with it. Very thin, the plastic. Once you take those off, you can go ahead and start removing your hoses, or your bottom hose. I mean, that one has a clamp itself. Channel locks didn't work, but those needle nose did. So finally got it out of there. It's gonna leak out all the fluid. I mean, all the coolant that you have in there. But it's okay. When you're replacing the coolant reservoir, you should always have some fresh coolant to replace it. And now you have the pins. There's one right here on the side and then one in the back. So we got that one on the side out. And this back piece is real small, tight spot. So you really need like a long flathead. And that's what we're gonna use right now. Go ahead and pry that open a little bit. See if we can get that pin out. So I pried at it and I had no success. I had to break through it, as you see right there. A little broken, but still got it out the pin nice and smooth. As long as you don't bend the metal, you're fine. And that's the type of coolant we're gonna use today. Prestone. We are not sponsored. Here's our new coolant reservoir tank that we are going to replace. Basically identical, as you see, a lot brighter, not newer. So we're gonna place it on these pins and wiggle it up in there, get it in position. And once you get in position, if you can, push it in. More power to you. But to me, it's a lot cleaner to just go ahead and just give it a little tap. Alright, now that we got it in there, it's basically just put it back in exactly how you took it out. Start with the last hose we took out, bottom hose. Get that bracket in there. It's nice and secure. Time to put this pin back in there. As you see, it's just short enough where it doesn't really want to go in there, so I had to use the hammer. Soft taps. Again, this is plastic, you do not want to break it. Just give it nice little soft taps. Yeah, don't be like me and say soft taps and then break the pin, as you see right there. It's okay. It's in there nice and secure. Still good enough to put the coolant in there. And let's get it in there. And no, I did not have a funnel with me at the time. Definitely recommend a funnel. Thought I had one in the truck, but once I got there, did not have it. It's fine. Just pour it in there and adjust. Life is all about adjustments, baby. All right. I put a little bit more than I was supposed to, but that's gonna be okay. As long as you don't overfill it, you should be fine. Put your cap on, tighten it up, and that's it. That's how you change out a coolant reservoir tank. D Handyman out.